1614 unit D, Arlyn. Padlock renovation. We need a small trash out, household goods throughout. And a few small stains on the carpets. It may come up. It needs to be checked out. So it's gonna be a large touch-up paint. It's not our color. It's a lightest purple. Full paint throughout if it's ours. Stickers on the wall needs to be removed. Refrigerator and the freezer has rotted food. It needs to be sprayed for bugs and cleaned out. Stove has everything. It needs to be cleaned. Handle on the stove is loose. It needs to be repaired. Microwave has a split. Have no power to check any of the appliances. Dishwasher has everything. Needs to be cleaned out. See no water leaks. Missing light globe in the hallway. It needs to be replaced. Missing sink stopper. It needs to be replaced. Toilet's tight. Seats loose. Needs to be repaired. Shower has a shower head. More stains in the carpets. Markings on the wall. Smoking and carbon work. Another missing sink stopper. Toilet's tight. Seats loose. Need to be repaired. More stains in the carpets. Medium-sized hole in the closet door. Needs to be repaired or replaced. 2 small holes in the wall. Another hole in the wall. Needs to be repaired. More stains in the carpets. That's about it.